What is toll processing? It's a collaborative approach where a company supplies the raw material from their own inventory, and a trusted partner handles the processing, saving time, resources, and overhead. At Tempered and Specialty Metals, we specialize in stainless steel toll processing, offering precision slitting, leveling, and rolling for your material. Key benefits of toll processing include lower costs, no need for expensive equipment, faster turnaround with quick, accurate processing, decades of stainless steel expertise, flexible scaling without added overhead, and lastly, the freedom to focus on your core business. Tempered and Specialty Metals combines advanced technology with unmatched experience to deliver the highest standards. Ready to streamline your operations? Contact us today to explore how our toll processing can support your manufacturing.